Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of communication tools? You've got email, instant messaging, video calls, project management platforms. It's a digital jungle out there, right? And amidst all that, you might have stumbled upon something called 8x8 chat. Now, the question is, what exactly is it? Is it just another chat app? A secret code? A relic from the early internet? Stick around, because we're about to dive deep and demystify this potentially powerful tool. Let's be real, communication is the lifeblood of any organization. Whether it's a small team collaborating on a project or a large corporation connecting with customers, how you communicate can make or break your success. And in today's fast-paced, always connected world, instant, efficient, and seamless communication is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Think about it. We've moved beyond the days of waiting for a reply to an email that might take hours, or even days. We need answers now. We need to collaborate in real time, and that's where solutions like 8x8 chat come into play. But to understand what it is, we need to understand the bigger picture, the integrated communication platform. 8x8, as a company, provides a comprehensive cloud communications platform. It's not just about chat. It's about bringing together voice, video, and messaging into a unified experience. And within that ecosystem, 8x8 chat is a key component, designed to facilitate instant messaging and team collaboration. So let's break it down. 8x8 chat, at its core, is an instant messaging and collaboration tool that's part of the broader 8x8 unified communications platform. It's designed to enable real-time communication between team members, departments, and even customers, all within a secure and integrated environment. But it's not just a simple text box. It's more than that. It's designed with features that amplify productivity and streamline workflows. Imagine this. You're working on a project with a team spread across different locations. You need to share files, discuss ideas, and get quick answers to urgent questions. Instead of juggling multiple apps and email threads, you can use 8x8 chat to create dedicated channels for specific projects, share files directly within the chat interface, and even integrate with other business applications. One of the key advantages of 8x8 chat is its integration with the wider 8x8 platform. This means you can seamlessly transition from a chat conversation to a voice call or a video conference with just a few clicks. This unified approach eliminates the need to switch between different applications, saving time and reducing friction. Let's delve into some of the specific features that make 8x8 chat stand out. Real-time messaging. This is the foundation. It allows for instant communication between individuals and groups, enabling quick responses and efficient collaboration. Channels and group chats. You can create dedicated channels for specific projects, teams, or topics, ensuring that conversations are organized and relevant. File sharing. Easily share documents, images, and other files directly within the chat interface, eliminating the need for email attachments or third-party file sharing services. Screen sharing. Collaborate more effectively by sharing your screen during chat conversations, allowing you to demonstrate ideas and provide visual feedback. Presence indicators. See who's online and available, ensuring that you can reach the right person at the right time. Integrations. 8x8 chat can integrate with other business applications, such as CRM systems and project management tools, streamlining workflows and improving productivity. Search functionality. Quickly find past conversations and files with powerful search capabilities. Security and compliance. 8x8 chat is designed with security and compliance in mind, ensuring that your communications are protected and meet industry standards. Now, let's address some common questions you might have. Is 8x8 chat just for large corporations? No, absolutely not. While it's certainly scalable for large enterprises, 8x8 chat is also beneficial for small and medium-sized businesses. Its flexibility and affordability make it a valuable tool for teams of all sizes. How does 8x8 chat improve productivity? By centralizing communication and collaboration into a single platform, 8x8 chat eliminates the need to switch between multiple applications, saving time and reducing distractions. The real-time messaging and file sharing capabilities enable faster decision-making and more efficient collaboration. Is 8x8 chat secure? Yes, security is a top priority for 8x8. The platform uses encryption and other security measures to protect your communications and data. They work to comply with all needed compliance regulations. What are some real-world use cases for 8x8 chat? Customer support. Provide instant support to customers through chat, resolving issues quickly and efficiently. Sales and marketing. Collaborate on campaigns and share leads in real time. Project management. Coordinate tasks, share files, and track progress within dedicated project channels. Remote work. Stay connected with remote teams and maintain seamless communication. Internal communication. Facilitate communication between departments and employees, improving collaboration and information sharing. Essentially, 8x8 Chat is a versatile tool that can be adapted to a wide range of business needs. It's about streamlining communication, improving collaboration, and boosting productivity. It's about creating a unified communication experience that empowers teams to work more effectively. And the integration within the 8x8 platform is key. When you combine the chat function with voice, video, and other communication tools, you create a powerful ecosystem that enables seamless collaboration and communication across your entire organization. It's about breaking down silos and creating a unified communication experience. It's about empowering teams to work more effectively and efficiently. It's about staying connected in a world that's constantly evolving. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.